Hey everybody, so today's video is being done in collaboration with Beebeecraft.com, and I have 4 of these, which I didn't realize it came with 4, but they're little girls holding like a stuffed rabbit. So I'm going to try to do them 4 different ways. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and get on my PPE and get started here. I have them in little cups just to make sure that they don't tip over. So they kind of fit very well in there. And then I have them on my leveling board here. So I'm going to go ahead and get my gloves on and my respirator and mix up my resin. I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to use Daniel Cooper's glue trick in one of them, where I'm going to put glitter with the glue and hopefully it won't sink. And I think I'm going to do some different things in each one. So let's see how these came out. It's a very soft mold. I hope I don't break it. This is the next day. Hey. It's very small, the top of it, so I just want to be careful not to break it. I almost wonder, should I spray some alcohol in there? I think I might. So it can slide out a little easier, right? Okay, this is nothing to do with the mold. I'm just trying to be extra careful here. So this is the first one. I think that looks pretty cool. It's like the bottom of her dress is gold and the top of her and the dress is silver. So it's got that silver crushed glass as well as the gold crushed glass. And I'll just go around the bottom of this with my deburring tool. But I think that's pretty. So we'll move on to the next one. Let's go with this one. This is the one where I put the little pebbles in. So we'll see how those came out. Little pieces here, I can just kind of pull them off. And let's see. I don't want to break her, so I'm sure this is like not necessary, but just in case, I would like to spray a little alcohol to make it come out a little bit easier. Okay. And you know, these molds are very soft, so they go right back into shape. Wow, that's really pretty. The thing is, you can't even see that I put those little pebbles in there, but it does have such a beautiful look. Like here you can kind of see one, but I had used the alcohol ink and the little pebbles that I had on this one. I think that's really pretty. And this is the one where I used Daniel Cooper's glitter trick to, you know, so hopefully the glitter wouldn't sink. So I put a little bit of glue in there. Okay, and the glitter did not sink. Being that I put some other color in there, the glitter is not like super clear, but I think it does look pretty. And the glitter didn't sink, so it did work. Very nice. I like that. It's kind of got like a more of a matte look. And then here, this one was just different micas, the pink, and I started out with the lighter pink and went down to a red at the bottom of the dress. And there's the last one. So let me put that back. You can see the difference in the colors, how I started out with the lighter and then went darker. I think it's pretty. So here was the first one. I like that, it's different. And then the second one. That's the one with the stones in it. I think that's pretty too. Here's the back. And then here's the one I did with the glitter. I think she came out very pretty as well. And then here is the one with just mica powder, and I think this one might be my favorite. Here they all are together, and I think they all came out great. They're all different and unique. And I thank you so much to Beebeecraft for sending me these products to make creations from. If you have a YouTube channel and you have over 100 subscribers, you can click on the link down below, and then they'll send you products that you can make videos from too. And it's a really great program. So thank you everybody so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye for now.